So I'm here in Baltimore, Maryland, unloading this double cab. He's pretty excited. Here's why. This is actually a really nice vehicle given the condition. This is a low mileage 1960 VW double cab. I'm here in Waco, Texas, loading it up. Came from a private collection. The odometer is just showing like 700 miles, which may or may not be accurate. Kind of open the door here and take a look. The pack rats have been busy, but what's remarkable about this car is the condition, which is just really good, especially being in Texas, being out in the heat. This was kept under cover. Kind of look at the doors. Got the original hubcaps. Got some all-terrain tires here. So I'm going to get the broom out because I don't want little critters in my trailer if I can avoid it. I'll probably get some mouse traps. I've hauled a few of these. They're rare. This is actually in really good original unrestored condition. What do you think, Eric? I'd like your input on that. This is where things get interesting and you can solve a mystery. This looks like a newer cigarette pack of Salem's, and it was here behind the radio. So my guess is somebody was hiding their smokes and the pack rat got to them. Pretty darn clean. Get the broom and start sweeping out. Hope you folks are having a good day.